In front of me is iPhone 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, you need to open any file you wanna print. I will go with this photo. Now look for this icon, usually located at the bottom left corner of your file, and scroll to click print over here. Now to connect to your printer, select printer section at the top and wait for your iPhone to look for yours. When it finds it, you need to tap on it here. As you can see, after a few seconds, my device was successfully connected. If you want to continue, just adjust all of those printing options. Presets. Just apply any of those options by clicking on it. Number of copies. Decide if you want to print in color thanks to this switcher. And select paper size. When you finish, to print your file, use printer icon available at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!